Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. So for today's stitch pattern, I'm going to make use of these two colors, the white one and our maroon one, and I'm going to make use of my 3.5mm crochet hook. So I'm going to start with this color of yarn, make our slip knot, and for this stitch pattern we need to make our foundation chain a multiple of 10 plus 7. So continue and do your multiples of 10, and then you add 7 at the end. So I have made my multiples of 10, and I will just add 7 more chains. So to start our first row on the second chain from the hook, so it is from here 1 and 2, we're going to make 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet on the next stitch as well. Skip 3 chains, and on the next chain we're going to make 7 double crochets, all in one chain. So now we have made our 7 double crochets, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now we are going to skip 3 chains, 1 2 and 3, and on the next one we're going to make 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet on the next chain as well, and on the next chain. Skip 3 chains again, 1 2 and 3, and we're going to repeat 7 double crochets on the next chain. So this will be our repeat for the entire row. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6, one more. Again, we're going to skip 3 chains, 1 2 and 3, and we're going to make 3 single crochets on the next 3 chains. Again, we're going to skip 3, 1 2 3, and on the next chain we're going to make 7 double crochets. So once you have your 7 double crochets in one chain, skip 3, 1 2 and 3, and make 3 single crochets on the next 3 chains. 1 2 and 3. And we're going to skip the next 3 chains, and we're going to make 4 double crochets on the last chain. So since we're going to change color of yarn, I'll be taking my white or my second color. Take your second color, and it will be the one to finish your last chain. So to move up, we already changed our color. We're going to chain 1 and turn our work. So now we have changed our color of yarn. We make a chain of 1, we're going to turn, we're going to make 1 single crochet on the same chain, 1 single crochet on the next chain, chain 3, 1 2 and 3, and we're going to make 7 double crochets together, and we're going to start from this first this 2 double crochets. So yarn over, so I'll just make a simple knot tying these 2 together so it will not go off later on. And you just have to weave your ends later once you're done with the project. So now we are going to attach our yarn. So later on we're going to cut our white, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to tie a simple knot. So for the next row, we're going to chain 3. So we chain 3 and turn our work, and we're going to make 3 more double crochet on the same chain. So now we have our 4 double crochets including our chain 3, and we're going to skip this 3 chains that we did, and we're going to make 3 single crochets. We're going to skip these 3 chains, and we're going to make 7 double crochets on top of this 7 double crochet clusters that we made on the previous round. 1 2 3 4 5, 2 more. Oops. So skip again these 3 chains and these 3 single crochets. We're going to do the same thing. 3 single crochets. Skip 3 chains. So now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Again, we're going to skip these 3 chains and 3 single crochets. Skip 3 chains, 7 double crochets, let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. We're going to skip these 3 chains and we're going to make one single crochet for the last 2 chains. So the same thing, if we're going to change color, we're not going to finish this off. Instead, we're going to take our white yarn again. So we are going to make 4. Like here we have 4. So this is how it will look like. So again, we're going to change our color from here, and we're going to do the 7 double crochets to the 7 double crochets, or the fan as you may call it. 7 double crochets in one chain. So just continue doing our repeat, changing colors as you go along. This will be a very nice pattern. You can use any yarn of your choice with the color of your preference. So thank you again for joining me today. Happy crocheting everyone, and God bless!